Hey jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here with another at-home workout. Today's workout is a climbing EMOM. So EMOM stands for every minute on the minute, and climbing means that we are going to increase our reps each minute. So you have a timer set to go off every minute. At the start of that minute, you do a set number of jumps and then a set number of bodyweight exercises, and whatever time is left over is your rest. So the first couple minutes, you should probably have lots of rest, and by that 5th minute, you might not have any rest left over because we're climbing up in those reps. We've got 3 different levels today for the EMOM workout. There's a beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You might find that you need to adjust the number of reps for your fitness or skill level. Push those limits, but always listen to your body and modify to make it work for you. Right. Beginner set is 10 jumps, 1 push-up. Next minute, 20 jumps, 1 push-up. Next minute, 30 jumps, 1 push-up. Next minute, 40 jumps, 1 push-up. Last minute, 50 jumps, 1 push-up. Intermediate level, 20 jumps, 2 push-ups. 30 jumps, 2 push-ups, 40 jumps, 2 push-ups, 50 jumps, 2 push-ups, 60 jumps, 2 push-ups. Advanced level, 30 jumps, 3 push-ups, 40 jumps, 3 push-ups, 50 jumps, 3 push-ups, 60 jumps, 3 push-ups, and 70 jumps, 3 push-ups. If it seems too easy, up your rep number. If it seems too hard, cut it in half. Do make sure to modify to make it work for you. Get ready, we are about to start minute 1. Again, 10 jumps for beginners, 20 for intermediate, 30 for advanced. 3, 2, 1, jump! One push-up for beginner, 2 push-ups for intermediate, and 3 push-ups for advanced. And the remainder of your minute is rest. So you might have a ton of rest this first minute, and that's fine. Enjoy it. If it feels like too much, go ahead and do a few extra swings. Otherwise, we've still got about 20 seconds left in our rest here in this first minute. Remember, laddering up the number of jumps. Push-ups stay the same, unless you're feeling frisky. Increase those push-ups too. 10 seconds. All right, next set of jumps, up 10 from the last one. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, jump! And those push-ups. Keep that core in tight, back nice and straight throughout your push-up. And then we rest the rest of our minute. Again, we're all at our own pace here. And if it feels too easy, add more reps. If it feels too tough, take some away. Modify to make it work for you. It's only 5 minutes, just a little breakup of our workday here. Burning some calories, moving our body, 10 seconds. And we go into our 3rd minute already. Get ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, jump. You can jump however you choose, whatever step you choose. On those push-ups, make sure you're getting that full range of motion. If you need to drop down to your knees, you can, but it's a small number to encourage you to go for that full standard push-up. Full extension of the arms and chest to the floor, really keeping that back straight, core engaged, working those muscles. 10 seconds. Already on our 4th minute here. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, jump. We are almost there. Keep pushing, power through. We're almost done. Ready for our last set here. Push that pace. Really go for it. It's 5 minutes. We're almost done. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, jump. You might still be finishing out your last set of reps for that 5th minute in your EMOM. That's fine. Keep working, power through, and get it done. It's only 5 minutes. Nice way to break up the day. Get a quick little workout in there. Get the blood flowing, get the body moving, burn some calories, build those muscles, and then get back to your day. Stay tuned for more Crossrope athlete at-home workouts. Happy jumping!